nowadays we see a lot of lung disease which is caused by exposure to pigeons. Now this exposure may not be a direct exposure, but just the pigeons in your backyard or around in your building or on top of the back part of your air conditioner. These pigeons have released particles in the air through their feathers, through their droppings, and these can irritate the lung in susceptible patients and can cause a lung disease called as a hypersensitivity pneumonitis or a pigeon breeder's lung. What happens in this disease? In this disease, the lungs get thickened. The patient starts getting a dry cough and breathlessness, and sometimes there can be wheezing, and the oxygen saturation in the blood drops like a interstitial lung disease or a intrinsic lung disease or a thickening of the interstitial part of the lung. So this is what happens, and it can be chronic. It can keep on worsening and the patient may not even understand what is happening. This condition has become very common in our place, especially because of the rampant practice of feeding the pigeons. It's supposed to be auspicious, and so there are a number of pigeons flying around, and this leads to increase in the intensity of this disease and the incidence of this disease.